Hey guys, 20th Century Rail Fan here. I just discovered something really cool. I checked the train schedule, and I was waiting for a train coming from the falls going towards Niagara Falls, that is, going towards Buffalo. And I'll show you what I did. So I checked out train status, and I typed in Niagara Falls to the next city. The next stop is in Buffalo, New York. And I'm going to check the status. Okay. It's arriving in Buffalo in 1 minute. That train was delayed. So 12:37, left the falls, arrived at 1:12. Well, this is what I discovered here. Hey, fellow rail fans, I'm waiting for an Amtrak coming from Niagara Falls. But look what I found. I typed in, I just discovered this. Amtrak, I'm going to hit Train Tracker. And watch what pops up. Oh, it'll have to wait because here comes the train I've been tracking. I'll see you in a minute. Oh, and hey, for back alley railroading, look at this. We're at Smurfit West Rock. All right, I see I got my winter bomb in the video. So where was I? Amtrak Train Tracker. Track your train with Google Maps, okay? So if you click on that, it gives you a whole map of the nation. Well, this is the one I'm interested in, is the one that was just came through here. Oh, sorry. We got to go to track your train now. So that train was delayed. I checked out the Amtrak schedule, and it was delayed. So I was fiddling around. I think my fingers might be wet here. And they show you where all the Amtraks are all over the nation. Oh, we're not in Chicago. Here we are. So this is the train that just rolled by. This one on Buffalo. And if it was up here in the falls and this train is delayed. So look at that. You click on that and it tells you when it's due at the next station. Or where, not the next station, but where it is. It's going 39 miles an hour. And obviously, I'm right here in North Tonawanda. But we'll come back a little bit and we can check the progress of that train. Track a Train, Amtrak Track a Train. I think they have an app. And while I was also fiddling around here, I found another one. Ship CSX. And you can check on the status of your cargo that they might be hauling. I'm going to have to figure out how this one works. So I reckon that they have all sorts of railroads. Different passenger trains and everything, and I'm going to start using this. So there's my neck of the woods now. There's nothing. There's no Amtrak's down here. The closest one is out here by Syracuse. And it's not going anywhere. It's stopped. And let's look around. I know that I have some folks that subscribe to my channel in Pennsylvania, so it looks like the only thing floating around down there, that one's stopped. Maryland. That one's stopped. I'm thinking it's because of the weather. Virginia, that one's not moving. What do we have down here near St. Louis? Nothing. 63 miles an hour. Cruising near Columbia. Lincoln Service, Illinois. Kansas City, that one's stopped. So this is a nifty little discovery. What's going down in Texas? Oh, this is the Sunset Limited. She's rolling 75 miles an hour. Oh, this is pretty neat. I'm glad I found this. I think there's an app. I'm going to have to get the app. Now she's rolling. It's the Maple Leaf rolling from Toronto, Ontario. I wonder where it's going to. I suppose I could look out, but we'll check the status now. Okay, status is of 5 minutes ago. It's still doing 39 on its way down to Buffalo. And if you're curious of where North Tonawanda is, you know, Buffalo's over here, and Niagara Falls is right here. And this little part, you know, where it's all green, that is, that's the falls. The falls is right there. The Niagara Gorge, and it goes a few miles down. It doesn't look like this map will show it. Oh, there we go. It goes a few miles down and empties into Lake Ontario. And there's an old fort there called Old Fort Niagara. It's pretty cool. Let's go the other way. Let's see. So that train, there it is. See, here's the location of it now. Now it's in the town of Tonawanda, doing 59. It's headed towards Buffalo. It doesn't have very long to go, like to right there. And it'll be right by Lake Erie. So North Tonawanda, where I'm at right now, I'm right between Lake Erie and Lake Ontario. Niagara Falls, this is all Canada. And what a cool little app. Amtrak Train Tracker. It's pretty cool, huh? All right. Well, hey, who wants to sit around waiting for a train all day that never shows up? I'll be able to get a lot more of these now. So this is a nifty little app. And I hope this makes your railfanning a little bit easier. I'm sure they have them for all the other railroads too. I'm going to be digging into this. Well, there you go, guys. I hope that helps you. Oh, I see it's 10 degrees. What's the forecast here for today in the Buffalo, Niagara Falls area? Snow, 11, 11, 11. We're having a heat wave, you know, because it was a lot colder. It's our temps for the week. It was a lot colder the last few days. Okay. Well, 20th Century Railfan and my winter bomb signing off. We'll see you later.